How to reset Pinterest account password. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Pinterest application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface. So the first text field, you need to enter your email address. Once you enter and continue, you'll be able to see this interface. So here you can see there is option for logging in, where you can continue with Facebook or Google. You can also enter your password and log in. Since we are trying to reset a password, you have to go for forget password option in the button, and password reset email will be sent to your Gmail. You have to tap on OK and you have to go back to your Gmail and check for the email. And here you can see Pinterest has sent me an email. So here you have to simply tap on reset password option. And finally, you will be able to see the text field where you can enter a new password. You can tap and enter. Once you're done creating a password, you can go for login option. And you can see the password has been changed and my account has been logged in. So this is how you reset Pinterest password. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.